setup of your HP DeskJet 4310 printer. This is a complete setup. We are going to install the setup in cartridges, loading paper. We will also do the wireless setup of the printer. First step is to remove this protective tape. Remove from both sides. Open the front chamber and pull it down and then remove it from inside. So it's just the cardboard. Now we can just close it. There is also a tape here, so if you open the ADF tray, you just have to remove it from here. Next is to plug in the power cable. So here we have the option to plug in it. Plug it in here. Next is to load the setup in cartridges. In the front chamber, pull this door down. Take the ink cartridges out of this plastic packaging. Remove the orange seal from here. Place the ink cartridge inside. So black goes this side and then push it in. Same with the color ink cartridge. Remove the orange seal and then install it here. Slide inside and then you have to push. It's a little bit hard to push. It won't break anything. It just goes like that. Close this door. Next is to load the paper. Paper tray is here. Slide this portion up. Lift it up. Move this to the end. And then place the plain paper. Now make it straight. Wait for the printer to print the alignment page. So it just printed the alignment page. Next is to scan it. Open the scanner bed. Place it here and then click on the color button. Wait for the printer to scan the alignment page. So we just finished the scanning and our printer is ready for the copy. We can start copy with this printer. This printer has an ADF tray on the top. That means we can scan multiple pages, we can copy multiple pages using this. If you place all the pages here and if you press the copy button, it will just copy all of those pages. It can only do one-sided copy. There is no automatic two-sided copy with it. Let's do the wireless setup of the printer. Your printer is in the setup mode. You will see the wireless light is flashing there. To do the setup, we have to go to the smartphone. Go to the app section and download the HP app. Go to the app. Go to the app store. You can use iPhone. You can also use Android phone. In the search section, type in HP app. Select this app with blue logo and open it. To add the printer, click on the Add Device. Select the first option, Launch Setup. This is a new printer, so we have to do it like this. Next is to select HP DeskJet 4300 series. That's the series of the printer. It will not display HP 4310. So click on the setup. Click yes. On the next page, it will display the name of the Wi-Fi network. Just click on the next. If your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, only then it will do it. Setup is complete. Done. Press and release the flashing information button on the printer. After releasing, please wait. Press the I button once. On the next page, it will ask you about the printer privacy. You can select accept all. There are other options like decline optional data. That means there are some things which we can control, so that is good. Click on the decline optional data. Select your country. And then click on the continue. If you have a HP account, you can sign in. On the next page, it will ask you to register the printer to enjoy the account benefits, and it includes many benefits in that. This account is free, so you can just create an account here. Right now I'm just going to click on the skip account activation. It also comes with the free ink delivery for some time. You can sign in for that. Right now I'm just going to click do not enable ink delivery, skip offer. For the updates, click on the auto updates, that is recommended. It just keeps your printer updated. You can also click on the notify when available. Let's print the welcome page. Click on the print. On the next page, it will ask you to print from other devices. You can send link, but right now I'm just going to click on the continue. And here we can see our printer, that is HP DeskJet 4300 series. So we just completed the Wi-Fi setup. This is the wireless setup of the printer, and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. I'm just going to show you how to do the copy and how to do scanning using the ADF tray. You just have to place the document facing up and simply click on the copy button. For scanning, we can just place all the pages facing up. We can also use the scanner bed to scan IDs and passports. Go to the app section and open the scan icon. Once you click here, click on the scan. Automatically it will start the scanning from the ADF tray. So let's see how long it takes. Scan is transferred. To save it, we can click on the save button. We can give a name to this file, and we can also select if we want to save it as a PDF or JPEG. For example, JPEG. Click on the continue. On this screen you can click on the save to HP file, or you can save to any other location. Click on the go home, go back. That's the main app of the printer. So that is the setup. That's the complete setup of the printer. Now in case if you don't have home Wi-Fi network, then you can do the Wi-Fi direct setup of this printer. If you want to know how to do that, you can watch my video for that. Thanks for watching.